Today we're looking at one of the most fabulous motorcycles ever produced, the Brough Superior, the absolute Rolls-Royce of motorcycles, the most coveted collectible bike in the world. Let's take a closer look in the garage. Behold, the Brough Superior. This particular one is an SS80. A motorcycle similar to this was written by T.E. Laurence, better known as Laurence of Arabia. He had actually 7 of these Brough Superiors over a course of a 10-year period. Tragically, he was killed in 1935 on a bike similar to this, an SS100. This is the SS80. It was the most expensive bike of the era, the most high-tech, most desirable bike, and it still is today. It's the most desirable bike you can get. The design of this thing is just beautiful. Look at this tank. Flat, wide, has a opening here for gas and oil, has an adjustable front suspension dampener. It's a hardtail, long wheelbase, V-twin. They sold these bikes originally guaranteed, certified at 100 miles an hour. And 100 miles per hour in the 30s must have been a scary proposition. I don't think anybody today will take with these one to 100 miles an hour, but you know, it could be worth it might be worth the risk. I don't know. Here's the little storage bag here. There's one on each side, one for tools, one for this much clothing, I guess. There's a seat you could put in the back for a separate passenger as an option. This one doesn't have it. I really dig this fishtail exhaust, this long motorcycle. It's all engine. It just looks all business, and it is. It's just totally awesome. This is definitely a treat to see one of these, especially a perfect one like this. In this museum, I'm surrounded by millions of dollars of cars, all types of things, Duesenbergs, Rolls-Royces, and they only have one motorcycle, the Brough Superior. That tells you a little bit something about the importance of the Brough Superior motorcycle. Definitely Hall of Fame of motorcycles. It's considered the Rolls-Royce of motorcycles, or for me, the Duesenberg of motorcycles, if you will. I love it. So that's our look at this amazing Brough Superior SS80 motorcycle from 1938. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tune in next week in the garage.